The food industry never wanted you to know that music existed for millennia, fed entire civilizations, and was present in every home's kitchen before factories, labs, and glossy packaging with expiration dates appeared. Additionally, their actions were so subtle and unobtrusive that hardly anyone saw them. They persuaded you to purchase music even though you could always make it yourself. For millennia, bread was prepared without a supermarket in German homes, Bavarian farm kitchens, and the bakeries of allotment garden communities. This bread was more nutrient-dense, long-lasting, lighter, and easier to digest. And nobody gave you an explanation for why it stopped. They persuaded you that yeast, a microscopic organism that has been fermenting human bread for more than Ichman years, must be created in an industrial facility, have a written expiration date, and be changed each time music is used up. Meanwhile, glass vessels, music with live wild yeast that have been active for decades, can be found in certain kitchens worldwide. Since the 19th century, one of San Francisco's most well-known has been in operation. They never required a supermarket. Today's lessons are not a recipe. Music, it's something far more significant. It is the recovery of a talent that has always belonged to you, but was gradually taken away from you without your knowledge. Before I demonstrate how to do it, let me ask you a question that most people never ask regarding the bread you now have at home. A question that alters your perspective on every piece of bread you've ever consumed. Before this video ends, I'll ask you, music, remember March 1909? Supermarkets started to music empty. Toilet paper came first, followed by wheat, and then, in a matter of days, something that nobody had anticipated going missing vanished. Yeast, music. Suddenly, the little packets that were consistently available at the same price on the same shelf vanished. Millions of individuals with flour, water, and time for the first time in years who wished to bake bread at home were unable to do it. They had given a living organic function to a supply chain that broke down in Nanaju music hours, not because they were incapable. Without relying on anyone, those who kept a jar of wild yeast in their kitchen continued to bake. There is just one strain of yeast available at the grocery store, a kind that was purposefully bred in sterile industrial settings. You must generate carbon dioxide as fast as possible in order to shorten the time it takes for the dough to rise. It only does that. No biological diversity, no microorganisms. Because it was quick and reliable, industrial bakers took over in the 19th century. It wasn't until food science caught up a century later that they realized what they had sacrificed in this trade-off music. The dough rises in 90 minutes when using industrial yeast to create bread. The bread is made swiftly, yet there is something that was never turned off inside. Music, the wheat grain. We refer to it as phytic acid. All grains naturally contain music, an anti-nutrient that serves to shield the grain. The issue is that when this acid gets into your digestive system, it binds to minerals like calcium, iron, magnesium, and zinc, and removes them from your body before you can absorb them. You believe you are sustaining yourself when you eat bread, yet a significant portion of the nutrients are actually escaping your body rather than remaining there. Being satisfied, music is not the same as eating a healthy diet. I'll ask you a question regarding music, and I want you to give it some serious thought. Do you get a good night's sleep? Do you feel rejuvenated when you wake up? Or do you already feel like you've changed over the past 10 years and wake up exhausted with a heavy body? If you look closely, you'll see that the body sends out signs well in advance of illness. The inability to fall asleep, the unexplained music in your knee, the blood pressure that spikes at the slightest sound, music, and the mind that won't shut off are all things that most people overlook until the day they can't be ignored. Examine the QR code that now shows up on your screen. Simply grab your phone, turn on the camera, and aim it toward the screen if you're watching TV. The link is straight in the video description if you're watching on your computer or phone, music. Conversely, you will discover content that we have meticulously assembled music. No medicine, no miracle. Teas, liquids, and herbs from a millennium-old remedy that the business buried and forgot. Natural remedies that worked, like the ones your grandmother made. Everything is arranged according to the kind of illness, making it simple to locate what you require. Discover this next stage of well-being that is ahead of you by clicking in there. It is still going on now. That is entirely changed by slow fermentation with wild yeast. Phytic acid is broken down and neutralized during this protracted process by the lactic acid bacteria that coexist with the wild yeast. The nutrients in the grain then become bioavailable. They can be absorbed by your body music. This is not a slight benefit. It's the music distinction between consuming something that simply fills you up and something that nourishes you. Complex carbohydrates and a large amount of the dough's gluten are also broken down by slow fermentation. This greatly facilitates the digestion of the bread music. It results in a glycemic index that is lower. This implies that rather than generating a spike, sugar enters the system gradually. Research from Colorado State University verified that, in comparison to industrial bread, traditionally fermented bread has quantifiably distinct metabolic effects on the body. Nowadays, how many people do you know who claim that eating bread makes them feel bad? An hour after the roll, I felt bloated, heavy, and uncomfortable. This was not a typical grievance in northern Germany or Bavaria 2 generations ago. The bread's ingredients remained almost unchanged. The fermentation was altered. The gradual biological process that had allowed music bread to pass through the human stomach for 8 years was eliminated. It was replaced by music, a quick industrial process built for factories and profit margins. All the processes that were genuinely music crucial for your digestive system are omitted from the bread made in 90 minutes. This is biology, not nostalgia or a fad. The best part is that all you need is a potato, water, and 3 days of patience to do it yourself at home. You are currently surrounded by wild yeast. It can be found on fruit skins, in flour, and on kitchen surfaces. This yeast swiftly colonizes, multiplies, and outcompetes everything else because a starter culture creates an environment that is so conducive to its growth. A remarkable amount of amylopectin starch is found in potatoes. Music, boiling a potato causes the starch to gelatinize and leach into the water, a warm, slightly sweet liquid that contains complex carbohydrates and minerals necessary for the growth of wild yeast. Compared to sugar alone, potato water nourishes the yeast colony more thoroughly and uniformly. Additionally, it prevents the accumulation of acidity, which can destroy a fledgling culture, including music, before it has a chance to fully take root. Compared to other homemade music cultures, music potato yeast rises more quickly and lasts longer without going sour, according to a Segipaye, one Jewish Boston baking book. A century later, food science verified the same. In the past, potato cooking water was also employed as a leavening agent by Bavarian and Swabian housewives. The information was present. The industrial program just replaced music in a methodical manner. You do things that way. Peel a big potato. It's crucial to leave the peel off since pesticide residues may interfere with the growth of yeast. Bring the peeled potato to a boil in enough water for sanju to young minutes, or until it is very tender. Remove the potato and fill a clean glass jar with the cooking water. Allow it to cool to a warm temperature rather than a hot one. Yeast is instantly killed by hot liquid music. Most individuals skip that step and then wonder why nothing happens. Once the water has cooled, crush the potato and return it to the jar. Put a cloth or paper towel over the glass music and fasten it with a rubber band. Not a lid, it must breathe. Put it music somewhere warm and out of the sun. Bubbles will appear in Niju to Yongshi by hours. The working yeast is that. Your culture will be prepared for baking after 2 or 3 days of audible activity, music. Have you ever attempted to make your own sourdough? Put the song and the area of Germany you are viewing in the comments. Just a little inquiry. Do you get a good night's sleep? Do you feel rejuvenated or exhausted when you wake up in the morning? Long before the sickness manifests, the body sends forth signs. The terrible sleep, the leg that hurts for no reason, the head that won't switch off. Until it gets intolerable, most people choose to ignore it. Music, you will find content that we have carefully assembled in the link. No medicine, no miracle. Teas, liquids, herbs from a millennia-old medicine that the industry has buried, arranged according to illnesses, making it easy for you to locate what you need. The video description contains the link, and music displays the QR code on the screen. You use it in this manner. Use the starchy liquid in place of water in any bread recipe after pouring it off the top. Use roughly 你永 ml of active potato culture fluids for every 300 g of music flour as a starting point. The G times are 2 to 3 times longer than with industrial yeast, but all of the flavor and health benefits we discussed come from that extra time music. And this is something that most people find surprising. The bread doesn't have a sourdough flavor. The potato water culture generates something with a mild, sweet, and yeasty scent, and cultivates music, wild yeast, with significantly less bacterial domination. The loaf lacks the sour harshness of commercial bread, but has more substance and depth, music. This music is more akin to the flavor of pre-industrial German rural bread. Your potato. Music will regenerate in a few hours if you add some crushed potato and the cooled water to what's left in the jar. It stays dormant and stable for weeks when kept in the refrigerator in between baking sessions. Music. They come to life when you take them out and allow them to come to room temperature for a few hours. This implies that you don't always have to start from scratch. You keep an active, practical music instrument that is constantly available for use. Additionally, don't discard any extra culture you have before your next bake. You may make a slightly sour flatbread with crispy edges by adding 2 to 4 tablespoons of flour and a bit of salt to the leftover culture. Something like a buttermilk pancake and a crepe music. Better than some Munich places with a dash of nice music, wrap oil, and chives. The excess is a second dish that takes Sanju seconds, not waste music. You get a potato and 3 days for a jar of wild potato yeast. Once you have it, it doesn't go away and improves over time. Produces bread that is easier to digest, more quantifiable, and more nourishing than anything prepared with an industrial package in music. And provides you with genuine independence from a supply network that has previously shown it is capable of failing you. You can't charge someone every week for something they already have living in a jar on their countertop, so they substituted 8 first Ds of live fermentation with a music foil packet and a marketing campaign music. You are aware now. Join the Green Vault, turn on the bell, and leave a comment for me. Were you surprised to learn about phytic acid in bread? What part of Germany are you viewing from?